example, the 4 example that you did just now, this will be easier for you to follow. All right? Because I think last week, this is the part whereby it's very confusing. Very confusing, right? So let's do a few practice. With practice, you will be able to be more confident. Okay? Okay. Mary asked Jane, what have you done? Okay, that's asking directly. So I give you a hint. You need to change the order. This is not a yes/no question, so there is no need for you to add if. Okay? Mary asked Jane. So I give you 30 seconds. Let's type it out. Let's try. Type it out in your chat box again. Right? Okay, time's up. Let's press enter. Show your answers. Review your answers. Come. Those of you who have finished typing, review your answers. This time round, none of you have done typing, or you actually need more example for this. Maybe I'll show you the, oh, okay. Mary asked Jane what she had done. Well done. Okay, Buhyumi. All right. Let's go a little bit, show you. Yeah, and that was, Mary asked Jane, oh, maybe you all needed the name. Jane is actually a female, so that's all right, Van. And I could see that you already did the swap, right? You did change these two positions. Very good. Maybe it's just because you're not familiar with the name Jane. Okay, is it a male or female? You all can ask, okay, if you're not sure. Well done. So let's try the next example. And I give you a hint. When I ask you, can you turn off the light? This is a yes/no question. So the hint is you got to add an additional word. Okay, you can add the word. Maybe I'll just tell you the word now. You need to add in this word. Okay, let's have 30 seconds. You try typing it out first. Oh, too fast. Okay, so 30 seconds. Try this out. Okay, the hint is you got to add the word if. Okay, Dawn asked us. Asked us. Can you turn off the lights? Okay, how do you change it to a reported speech? Okay. All right, so can we press enter? I think Buhyumi has done it. Someone else? Others also? Was the time too short for you to type it out? We'll take this as the last example, okay? Because our time is up. Thank you, Manila. Dawn asked us, whether. So who is the you? You is referring to those group of people that Dawn asked, right? Okay, whether you can. Okay, good. I think this time around with all the colors coded and guided, most of you managed to do it. Okay, Dawn asked us if we could. Okay, so remember this order needs to change. All right. Okay. Okay, well, like I mentioned, we'll take this as the last example. in short, okay, for the reported text, let me just escape this first. Right. Let's skip it. In the reported speech, a very quick conclusion before I leave and before you go. Remember this, 3 things that we always need to take note. We change the pronoun, we change the tense, and we change how the time is stated. And it's just that when it's more special, when it is a question, other than remembering the 3 rules just now, you also need to consider the order of the subject and the verb. And also, if it's a yes/no question, you will have to add in the word if. Okay, that's quite a lot that you have learned today. I think it's okay if you didn't, remember all the rules, and you can always refer to maybe this page if your teachers are going through it again with you as the summary or the notes. All right. So with that, I think today we will have to end because it's time for the next group already. So thank you, class. If you have any question, maybe we'll leave it to next week. Okay. Next week, most likely, we're just going to close this very quickly for reported speech, and then we'll do something else already. Okay. Thank you, class. Anyone has a question? If not, we should end and give the time to the next group. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all for trying it out today.
Yes.
Right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Suti.
Thank you, teacher Sutin.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's me, Akilea. Hi, Ginny.
Hello.